guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing so much in packing, and I got some updates in what I sold. I got so much to do, guys. I mean, for example, and I gotta get all that stuff out and, you know, make some money out of some things that are in here. And there's a lot of stuff back here that the house is going crazy right now with things that we're pulling the house. It's a wrecking mess. Let me show you. I think I never show you the back of my house. Look at it's a nice pond. Well, the house that I rented, not my house. There's like everything everywhere. Like, it's really getting crazy now. I don't know. And then I got all that right here. Everything is crazy right now. Pulling stuff out from rooms and everywhere. This is the part I don't like, you know. So I decided to do a little packing in my room and just put in some clothes that I for sure know that I'm not gonna wear anymore, or at least not until I move to my apartment. And I am using some boxes from Dollar General, Family Dollar. And I mean, I got some boxes that my sister also gave me, or, you know, purchased for me from Home Depot, I believe it was. But other than that, these are working good. I'm trying to make small boxes. That way the kids are helping as well. And here is Nathan with that funny blue glove on. He is helping me pack this box. And who doesn't remember good old Night Magic from Avon? So what I'm doing with these boxes is, after I seal them, I am putting exactly what location they're going to, but I'm also putting what's inside there, or at least one or two things that I know that are important and are inside there. That way, when I'm at the apartment, I'm not going crazy thinking or, you know, searching which box is it. Rather, I just know where it's at, you know? So just making a dedicated box just for my husband's sneakers. As y'all know, he is a Jordan fan, so we want to make sure that they are well taken care of. This is what I was mentioning to you. It's not the fact of moving to an apartment. It's that when you are in a house and you've been here for years, there's so many things that you got to get rid of. So many memories that I have created here. It's a lot. So of course my emotions are going all over the place, and a lot of people tell me a house is just a house. Your family is your home, and it's true. It's true. I agree. It's just I'm very sentimental, so. But let me go ahead. Hang on. Let me go ahead and give you an update of what I have sold. So basically I had a round dining. If you look at my past videos, you know what round table I was talking about. I sold that. I sold the brown couch. I saw a picture frame that was above my my king size bed. What else? And I saw my sold my makeup vanity. So those are the things I sold. And so far out of those things, I have made $270, which is not that bad. It's kind of fair. I'll take that. And if you're wondering what site that I use, I'm using the Facebook Marketplace. Also, this Saturday, I am having a tax sale. Gotta get rid of more things. Hopefully, I make some money. Guys, so what I'm trying to do, like, yeah, I know I'm financially struggling right now, but I'm not here to cry. I'm here to, like, basically, like, inspire you. If you're going in a difficult situation, I am too. So we just gotta figure things out, right? So God gave us a brain and we gotta use it, right? So that's why I'm selling things to make money. So that way I have money for the rent on the next apartment and other things that are due, of course. So hopefully with the tax sale and the things I'm selling, you know, the big things I'm selling here, then I will have enough money for that and other things that I'm behind on. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep on updating you always. This is one of my first videos of my moving. I'm gonna keep on recording how things are going. I'm gonna let you know how my tax sale went and how much I made. And guys, if you need to sell things, then, you know, don't be ashamed of putting it in the Facebook Marketplace. The way I sell my things is I put them higher in price. That way people could lowball me so they could feel like they're getting a great offer, which they are, because, you know, I'm not selling my things expensive crazy, but I'm putting it on the higher side so they could play with numbers. And right now I have the time before I start working next month to do all this. So God is good. You know, he's amazing. In this process of letting go of my things and moving to a small apartment, I am praising God because I have a place to call home, regardless of it's small or big. And I know I'll make new memories in that place, and I'll bring y'all along with me. If you don't know what's going on, I need you to check my last video. That will explain why I'm moving and some other topics that I was mentioning in there. So go check it out. But if you're new here, please subscribe. I would like for you to be part of my YouTube family. And for all of those who are returning, thank you so much, guys, for being here for me, for supporting, for your words. Y'all are amazing and y'all know it. So thank you so much. I guess I'll check you out in my next video, right? Peace.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing?